I urge you to vote in the upcoming elections. There are a few things that you can do that are more important to invest in our industry. The SEMA board helps represent member companies in countless of important opportunities, from voting, setting budgets, setting the future agenda of our industry, and most importantly, protecting your rights to both manufacture products and sell them. You have a really powerful voice in picking who represents you on the SEMA board. Think of your industry, the needs of your company, and yourself as an automotive enthusiast, so you can pick the right person that represents your interest to protect the industry in our future. Your vote makes a huge difference, but it's not just about you. It's about the future of the entire industry and even your children, preserving the right for them to be able to enjoy this industry in 20 or 30 years. You might be asking yourself, who can vote? Every SEMA member company has the right to vote. And that vote happens through each company's primary contact. It's important to find your primary contact to fill in the ballot during the SEMA election period.